Hi viewers, today we're looking at the Excel VBA CVErr convert to variant error formula. So first of all, we need to record a macro to use to write the code. So I'm going to click on the macros tab or section within the view tab of Excel 2013, and I'm going to click on record from the drop down in the macro section, and then I'm going to give this a title or name of CVErr underscore FX, and click on OK. That's recording. I'm going to click on stop there, and then I'm going to click in the macro section of the view tab again. I'm going to click on view macros, and then I'm going to select my macro that I want to edit. Click on edit. Inside the macro, I'm going to get rid of the comment stuff, and I'm going to paste my code. Now this basically is the green stuff's comments with the apostrophes next to them. The bit in the middle, the blue, there's the code. So it's saying debug.print CVErr 13. So that's a conversion variant error of 13. The debug.print, in order to view it, you need to activate or view, open up the immediate window. So to do that, you go to the view drop down list in the menu there at the top, and then you click on immediate window. That's what you need to view your debug statement. So once I click on play or run macro and click on run again, it gives me the error 13 for this CVErr 13 in brackets here. That's basically how to display error messages in terms of the error number in Excel VBA 2013 using the CVErr function and the immediate window or the immediate watch window.